Friends, today I am taking a revision, that is the first chapter from Hornbill, The Portrait of a Lady, as for revision. Originally it was taught in 5th July. Okay. In The Portrait of a Lady, Khushwant Singh, that is, he had been, um, uh, that is, Sansad also, Member of Parliament, has given an account of his grandmother. She was very old, her face was wrinkled, her hair were white. It was hard to believe that once she had been young and pretty means beautiful. His grandfather's picture hung above the mantelpiece in the drawing room. He wore a big turban. Turban means pagdi. His clothes were loose fitting. He looked at least 100 years old, okay, as he had. The author's grandmother was a short lady. She was fat and slightly bent. She could not walk straight. सीधी नहीं चल पाती थी. She had to keep one hand on her waist. It was to balance her stoop means झुकी हुई. In the other, uh, that is hand, she held a rosary means मनके की माला for worshipping to God. She was always telling the beads. हमेशा वो माला फेरती रहती थी. She looked like a snow of mountains in winter. She was a picture of peace and contentment. वो शांति और संतोष की मूर्ति थी. That is, author and his grandmother were good friends. That is, good friends. That is why uh, his parents left him with grandmother, and they went to city. They left him with her. She used to wake him up in the morning. She got him ready to the school. उसको स्कूल के लिए तैयार करती थी ग्रैंडमदर. ओके. uh, that she said her morning prayer, uh, hoping that her uh, grandson would learn, Khushbant Singh would learn it by heart. He liked her voice, but never bothered to learn it. Okay. She would give him a thick slate, stale means basi, stale, basi chapatis, spreading with little butter and sugar on it as a breakfast. उसको ब्रेकफास्ट दिया करती थी. She carries several still means chapatis, basi chapatis with her for the village dogs. His grandmother always went to school with him. The school was attached with the temple. So now the priest taught children the alphabet in morning prayer. Priest means पुजारी बच्चों को पढ़ाया करता था. Okay. The grandmother sat inside the temple. She would read the holy means sacred books, religious books on God. Okay. The narrator's priest sent that parents sent for them in the city. It was a turning point in the life of both grandmother and grandson in their friendship. They shared the same room in the city, and grandmother took to feeding the sparrows in the spare time. Years rolled by, समय बीतता गया, they saw less of each other. So now, next. uh, that is, she was unhappy. She did not like the English subject or the science subject. She felt sad that there was no teaching about God and the religious books at school. वो बहुत दुखी थी क्योंकि इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में रिलीजियस पर बुक्स पर और कुछ नहीं पढ़ाया जाता था. Okay, the narrator went to university. He was just now given a separate room of his own. The common link of friendship was snapped, means broken. टूट गया आपस में एक दूसरे को. द ग्रैंड मदर एक्सेप्टेड हर लोनलीनेस मीन्स अकेलापन क्वाइटली शांति से स्वीकार कर लिया. शी वॉज ऑलवेज बिजी विद हर स्पिनिंग व्हील एंड रिसाइटिंग प्रेयर्स. इन द आफ्टरनून she relaxed for a while or half an hour. Then she would feed the sparrows. Sitting in the veranda, she broke the bread into little pieces and threw them to sparrows. Okay. The narrator decided to go, means Khushwant Singh, abroad for higher studies for 5 years there. Okay, and he was worried. वो चिंतित था, but she was not upset. वो दुखी नहीं थी mother, grandmother. She showed no emotions towards him. For just now, seeing the narrator of the railway station, her lips moved in prayer, her fingers were busy in telling the beads of her rosary. मनके की माला को चलाने में व्यस्त थी. She kissed his forehead silently. She thought that, now next to be continued, that when he would return after 5 years, she would be no more. He would जीवित नहीं रहेगी. That was that. So it was the last or final physical contact between them. Now next, the narrators returned home after 5 years. His grandmother met him again at the railway station. She did not look a day long older. वो और अधिक वृद्ध नहीं दिखाई दी थी. Okay, it was afternoon. She fed sparrows as usual. In the evening, a change came over her. She did not pray. She collected the women of the neighborhood. She got an old drum and continued thumping the old drum. पड़ोस की औरतों को इकट्ठा किया और ढोलक पर थाप लगाने लगी. For several hours she sang of the homecoming of warriors. और उन्होंने, जैसे कि योद्धा लोग युद्ध के मैदान से जीत करके घर आते हैं, उस संबंध में अपने ग्रैंडसन के लिए गाने गाए, गीत गाए. The next morning she fell ill and had a mild fever. She told them that her end was near. और उन्होंने बताया कि बुखार था और उसका अब अंतिम समय आ गया है. She realized that she had forgot to pray and did not talk. और महसूस किया उन्होंने कि उन्होंने कोई प्रेयर नहीं की. She ignored their requests. She lay peacefully in bed. She was praying and telling beads. और वो शांति से उस पर बेड पर लेट गई और मनके की माला फेरने लगी. और तब उन्होंने प्रेयर को करना एकदम रोक दिया. ओके, द रोजरी फेल डाउन फ्रॉम हर लाइफलेस फिंगर्स. हर फेस लुक्ड पेल बट पीसफुल. शी वॉज डेड. और थोड़ी देर के बाद में ये महसूस किया गया घर वालों के द्वारा कि मनके की माला उनके निर्जीव शरीर से नीचे गिर पड़ी और उनका चेहरा था वो पीला पड़ गया था, शांतिपूर्ण था. मालूम पड़ता था कि वो मर चुकी थी. शी वॉज लेड ऑन द ग्राउंड कवरिंग विद ए रेड श्राउड. और उनको ज़मीन पर उतार लिया गया था, ले लिया गया था और लाल रंग का कफन उनके ऊपर उड़ा दिया गया था. अरेंजमेंट्स फॉर हर फनरल वर बीइंग मेड. और उनके अंतिम संस्कार के लिए इंतज़ाम किए जाने लगे. द सन वॉज सेटिंग. सूर्य छिप रहा था. दे ब्रॉट ए वुडन स्ट्रेचर. दे स्टॉप्ड हाफ वे इन द कोर्ट यार्ड. और आंगन में जब उनको ले जा रहे थे उस पर स्ट्रेचर पर, ठीक है, तो आधी रास्ते पर आंगन में रुके. थाउजेंड्स ऑफ स्पैरोज सेट नियर हर डेड बॉडी विदाउट चर्पिंग. एवरीवन फेल्ट सॉरी. और हज़ारों चिड़ियाँ उसके मृत शरीर के पास बैठ गई थी दादी के. और प्रत्येक किसी ने भी शोर नहीं किया, चर्पिंग नहीं किया. प्रत्येक दुखी थी. And the narrator's mother threw little bits of bread, but birds took no notice of them. उनकी खुशवंत सिंह की माँ ने, जैसे दादी जी छोटे छोटे टुकड़े खाने के रोटी के करती थीं, तो वो उन्होंने उनके सामने फेंक दिया, लेकिन उन्होंने ध्यान नहीं दिया चिड़ियों ने. एविडेंटली स्पैरोज हैड कम टू मॉर्न. MOUR मॉर्न मीन्स दुख व्यक्त करने के, द डेथ ऑफ द ग्रैंड मदर. इस प्रकार उनका दुख व्यक्त करने के लिए आई थी. Students, I have completed all the course with the revision of every chapter. So please prepare for the examination.